So I just finished getting gas at the Mawapa Indian Reservation by Valley of Fire State Park in Nevada. If you've never been there, it's an amazing place. Anyway, filled it up, 60 bucks even, 13.05 gallons. So it's kind of hard to see right now, but there's the Valley of Fire mountain areas, and on the back side of that it's called the Valley of Fire because the rocks are so bright red. It's kind of like Utah, but it's in Nevada. It's beautiful. Okay, so go into the menu. We just fill up with gas. I'm gonna reset all the values, so I'll have a new fresh start on the mileage. Hold OK to reset all values. Values reset, and there we go. No MPGs registering. 0.2 of a mile on the new trip. 440 miles to empty. 1,252.2 miles total on the vehicle. So there you go, 38.2 miles per gallon. That's fantastic. So this menu here, this menu button, is how you get to the 2 trips. And you see trip 1, I hit OK, and it's the overall 28 hours of driving. That's what I have. 33.4 miles per gallon. Over 1,223 total miles. So that's most of the miles on the vehicle. Then if I hit the menu button again, and I go to trip 2, I hit OK. It's when I reset it just a little bit ago. 5 minutes ago I reset. This is showing 37.2 miles per gallon, 438 miles to empty. So while I was doing that, if you would have noticed, the little lane keep symbol went red because I I changed lanes without putting my blinker on. Better to put the blinker on. Wow, look at all those trucks on the 15.
No, that was good.
Backed way up. We're in the Virgin River Gorge. Look at that, 2,000 feet and climbing. Heading up to St. George, Utah. Beautiful, look at all those red rocks. Check those mountains out. That's beautiful. All the water bottle storage. Why are these water bottles on the ground? Hold on. So this can go here. With the Del Taco cup. Or right there.
You get water and coffee right in your door.
Locked in.
Nice.
However, this one's a problem. So the big water bottle, however, does not fit. No way. It doesn't even fit here in the console. But I solved that problem. The free Fitz equipment we received from Ford comes with a trash can. And I don't use it for trash. I use it for water bottles. Even though there's so many water bottle storage in this car, I still need more. Okay, so we're going to adjust the interior air conditioning. So it says the air is on. There's how you adjust the temperature, of course. Shutting it off. Back on again. Fan. And if I want to have it come out the bottom and the top, it automatically turns on recycling. And if I want the front defroster on, and then I hit max, I never noticed this button before. Hitting that activates this one, which, I'm going to lower that, which is the heated side mirrors. Part of the luxury package. We do go skiing, so that's going to come in very handy. Okay, heated steering wheel, heated seats. Pretty much all lit up right now. Whoa, high heat. Gotta shut it off. Shut it off.
Oh my God, it's so hot.
Wow, it got hot quick. Wow. So one thing about this control that I actually don't like is when your screen is on, if I turn the fan up, it actually interferes with the screen. Like that. Turn it up or down. You can't see the screen for a while. Same applies when you hit the volume. I actually don't know why it has to be on so much. Whoa, it's bouncy. Sorry about the bounciness. So when I hit the volume... Oh, there we go. Oh, wait. The temperature shows on there too. So either on the screen the temperature change shows, or the fan shows on the screen and interrupts it, or the volume. Interesting. What is that?
That's Zion.
Zion National Park.
In the distance.
In Utah.
Utah at its finest.
Wow, that is just glowing. Well, that's pretty. Barely see into Zion right there. Oh, look at that. Nice shot. You know, this state allows triple trailers like this. It's pretty crazy. Okay, so here's the regular screen. You can adjust the sound of the audio, clock, change the time, Forward Pass Connect, let you connect to the vehicle hotspot, general settings. You can have a beeping sound or not with the touch screen. A lot of these may not work right now while we're driving. 911 assist, ooh, that's got to be on. So if you get into a wreck, it'll automatically call for help. That's an important one. Wi-Fi display. You can change the background, which I have already. There's gray, there's a darker gray, blue, and I've chosen that one. And then let's go back here. Ambient lighting is You won't be able to see it now, but it's for under this tray area, under the dash. So I'm going to turn the ambient lighting up so later we can see it at nighttime. And then Android Auto Preferences, show it on connection. Yes, that's good to do. Vehicle. Oh, camera settings. Rear camera delay. No, I don't want to delay. I don't know why you want that. Door keypad code. That's how you can change the keypad on the outside of the XLT. I can show that on another video. And we're going to go into Android Auto right now. Except that's annoying when that happens. It doesn't let you use the screen when the volume or the temperature is adjusted,
Yeah, going downhill.
or the fan speed is adjusted.
Recharging is like go downhill.
Oh, let's see. So it shows the green light of the green downhill symbol next to the lane keep. Oh, it just went off. So that shows when you're charging the battery. Coasting downhill. That is a great thing to see.
Love it. Save gas.
I'm going back into Android Auto right now. And up pops the map. Okay, we're on the road here still. My wife's going to show you how to activate cruise control in the Ford Maverick. There's that button right there. Turn it on. Turn it off again. So you can see how it toggles on and off on the screen. So it says set, and you hit the button in the middle, up, and now it's set to 76 miles an hour. If she wants to increase it, each mile she wants to increase it, she pushes the button up. Do it again. Now it should be at, oh, there was a guy braking in front of us. Brakes. Okay.
Oh, this is not fun.
No more cruise. What's going on behind you?
This Tesla's behind me, really edging in very closely.
He's in a hurry to stop at a charging station. Nice. Maybe Big Lots will clear the road for us here. Push on ahead.
I want to see what it looks like.
Looks bad. It looks thick, full of cars. All right, still in traffic. There's an accident ahead, so I'm gonna do something that I haven't done before in this Maverick. Another real life situation to see what's going on. So we have the USB-A plugged in from my wife's phone. I'm gonna plug in my USB-C at the same time. I don't know what the screen is gonna do about that. Might get all confused. There we go. So it shows my phone's connected, but not Cheryl's. However, Cheryl's is on Android Auto. That's her map, not mine. So I think it is a little confused when there's the USB A and C plugged in at the same time.